Alright guys, once again I'm doing an overlay of the sound from CES 2020 because the atmosphere is super loud. So here I'm at the PGYTECH booth, and my previous videos contain a couple cases and the lenses and filters for the Osmo Pocket and the DJI Mavic. So I'm gonna focus on another product with them today, and that is their new backpack that launched a few months ago, and that is called the OneMo. Now, here I'm doing an interview with one of the guys from the booth, but like I said, the sound is off. So let me tell you a little bit more about the backpack. So why is it called OneMo? Well, because you see that little pouch that was taken out of the backpack? That is the pouch that goes in there. So I guess it's a one more pouch type of backpack. Now the cool feature right here is the battery indicators. Now there's three slots, and one of them have a red green switch, and the other ones have red green switches as well. What that means is let's say you put your batteries away, switch the switch to the color so you know which battery is drained and which battery has full charge. So that is very good perk of this backpack. Now there is two types of this backpack. Well, not two types of the backpack, but two colors for the backpack. One is the camo, which you guys are seeing right in front, and in the back of me, it's a completely black backpack. Now this backpack also expands right over there at the front, so you could pack it with more. I mean, this backpack has a lot of space inside of it. You could put a camera, you could put a drone. Now here is a better look at this backpack. It does not look that bulky from the outside, but you will be surprised how much stuff you could fit. So here's one more look at the OneMo type of feature. When you slide it out, you have a pouch inside where you guys could see it. And right now I'm going through the battery indicator perk of the backpack, or the feature. I really like this feature because I carry a lot of batteries with me, and this was probably the best selling point in my opinion. I get lost all the time. I just throw batteries in the backpack and I have no idea which ones are charged, which ones are not. So that's the one more slot, or OneMo. It's MO for some reason. That's how they named the backpack. And it's a very cool pouch because you could actually fit a whole drone with a remote control in it. Now I carry the Razer backpack with me everywhere I go because this is the only backpack I found that fits my needs. I carry a MacBook Pro 16-inch, power bank, a lot of wires, a bottle of water of course, and a couple other things. Now here's the thing. This OneMo backpack packs a punch. Not only is it small, but it fits a lot of things. You could fit a drone, a camera, and yes, a 16-inch MacBook Pro. It does have a slot, so they thought of everything. I don't see a reason why not to buy this backpack. It's 200 bucks, beats any other price point backpacks at that price. All the links will be in the description. Check them out. The PGYTECH link will be in the description as well. Stay tuned guys, because I'm bringing you guys way more videos of first looks and hands-on from CES 2020. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.